In Genesis 1:28 God said to Adam and Eve, "Grow, multiply and have dominion." In this is summarized God's purpose for the creation of man, which consists of the three blessings. The first blessing. God's first blessing is man's ability to perfect his character and divine love with God. By realizing a right interaction between his spirit and his body, united and centered on the purpose of creation of God, man, as the Bible says, becomes on an individual level, the temple of God. 1 Cor 3:16. When such perfect individuals become completely united with God in divine love, John 14:20, they acquire the divine, invisible characteristics of God and always have God at the center of their thoughts and actions. When he realizes the first blessing, man feels God's feelings, thoughts as his own. Therefore, it is absolutely impossible for such a man to commit an evil action, because he would feel the same pain that it causes God. On the contrary, this person would only want to be a perfect, divine son to God. When a man achieves individual perfection, he becomes the substantial, perfect, divine representative of God's heart and fulfills his desire for love. In other words, if man had completed the first blessing, he would have become the highest substantial being in creation, whom God wished to love, so he would have been the horizontally, substantial fruit of God's vertical, divine love, and would have substantially represented God, for the rest of creation, caring for it and loving it instead of God with the right heart and love.